Good afternoon, students. Now we will do the plane. In this plane, look here what will be the plane. Here in this plane, we will do the flat surface. This flat surface is called the plane. Okay. Here this can be extend indefinitely. Indefinitely it can extend in any direction. Okay. Look here, this LED screen is also a plane. This tablet screen is also a plane. Mobile screen is also plane. So you can understand this plane. Okay. Now here this is a football, and football is not a plane surface. So look at three examples I given you for the plane surface, and this what is the plane. I think you understand this. Look here, this plane you can understand by this diagram. In this diagram you can check this plane is given to you yellow color. This surface is a plane, and the red color, this line show the normal of the plane. Means each plane will have a normal. Normal means a perpendicular line that to the plane. Means a line make 90-degree angle with the plane, and this line is called normal of the plane. So for the plane, equation of plane we have to find. That time this normal will be very important. Look here, we start this topic plane. Here a plane surface is given to you, and with this plane a normal vector n is given to you. So I explain here also that n vector is a AB vector, and this is a normal vector. We can say normal vector. It is a normal vector. Now look here, this we will understand in the 3D space. So here this is a x-axis, this is a y-axis, and z-axis. Look here, x, y, z-axis you know already. This is a origin, and this plane I put here in the space. So this plane have the normal n vector, and for that you will find the unit vector, that is called n cap. And this d is a perpendicular distance from the origin. If you have a normal vector and a perpendicular distance from the origin, then we can find the equation of plane. Now we will find the equation of a plane in the normal form. Look here. Here a plane is given to you by ABC. ABC is a plane, and in this plane we will draw a perpendicular ON. ON is a perpendicular. That vector is d n cap vector. D n cap vector, that is a ON vector. ON vector is d n cap vector, is a normal from origin to the plane, and n cap is the unit vector along ON. Means we can say a unit normal vector, also we can say unit normal vector. And here d is the perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin. This is the perpendicular distance here. Now look here, we take a point P on the plane. That point, general point we will take. This point P is x, y, z, and the vector OP is the r vector. Now we have to find here NP vectors by vector triangle rules. What we can write, look here, ON plus NP equal to OP. This is by triangle rules we have. ON is here d n cap vector. NP we have to find here NP. This is a NP, and OP vector is r vector. Now NP will be equal to r minus d n cap. Now look here, by diagram you can understand dn and pn vectors are perpendicular. So by perpendicular rules, by perpendicular property, that on in dot pn will be equal to 0. On is here d n cap, and Pn vector is r minus d n cap, that already we find here, that is equal to 0. Means here d you can transfer in right hand side, means 0 upon d will be equal to 0. So you have n cap dot r minus d n cap equal to 0. You open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you get r vector dot n cap minus d n cap dot n cap. N dot, look here, n cap dot n cap equal to n modulus square, you can say, and n cap is a unit vector, so modulus of this what is 1, modulus will be 1. So this value of n cap dot n cap will be 1. So you will have here r vector dot n cap minus d equal to 0. So look here, here you will transfer this d in right hand side, you get r vector dot n cap equal to d. This is a equation of the plane. Look here, this will be very important, will be here. This is the equation of plane in the normal form, plane in a vector form. Look here, we have to find out the Cartesian form of the plane in the normal form. R vector dot n cap equal to d. This is a vector format, and look here, r is what is, r is a general, we have x I plus y j plus z k, and n cap is a unit vector that we can write l I cap plus m j cap plus n k cap equal to d. If you do the dot product, you will get here l x plus m y plus n z equal to d, and this is a Cartesian form. In the Cartesian form of plane in normal form, we have here element are the direction cosines of the normal of the plane, and d is the perpendicular distance from the origin will be. We have the equation of plane in normal form is r vector dot n cap equal to d, and n cap is what is l I plus m j plus n k equal to d. And look here, here l I cap plus m j cap plus n k cap is a unit normal vector, and d is a perpendicular distance from the origin, and element are the direction cosines of the normal vector will be. We have to do one question. Find the distance of the plane 2x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 6 from the origin. Means we have to find the distance of plane 2x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 6 from origin. From origin we have to find the perpendicular distance of the plane. Means here plane is given to you. Look here, this 2, 3, 4 are not here direction cosines. Actually these are direction ratios. So you will write here direction ratios of normal, that we will write 2, 3 and minus 4, and these direction ratios you have to change in direction cosines. How we can change the direction ratios in direction cosines, we already done in previous topic also. We can write 2 upon root of 4 plus 9 plus 16, that we get by squaring these 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square, and 3 upon same as it is, we have root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. Similarly minus 4 upon root of 4 plus 9 plus 16, that 2 upon root 29, 3 upon root 29, minus 4 upon root 29. Look here, these are the direction cosines. Means here place of 2, 3 and minus 4, we want here 2 upon root 29, 3 upon root 29 and minus 4 upon root 29. For that, this equation 1 we have to divide by root 29. This equation we have to divide by root 29. What we get? 2 upon root 29x plus 3 y upon root 29 minus 4 upon root 29 z equal to 6 upon root 29. Now we can check 2 upon root 29, 3 upon root 29 and minus 4 upon root 29 are direction cosines. If these are direction cosines, means we have this format l x plus m y plus n z equal to d. This format we have. In this format, d is a perpendicular distance from the origins. Means here this is a d, and d is a 6 upon root 29 is the perpendicular distance from the origin. Look here all of you, general form of the equation of plane. General form we have to do vector form is r dot a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap equal to d. This is a normal form of the plane where a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap is what is normal vector of the plane, and ABC are what is ABC are the direction ratios of the normal, and here d is not a perpendicular distance from the origin. Look here, it is only a constant. Why? Because ABC are only here direction ratios. Look here, if the ABC we change in direction cosines, then only this d will be a perpendicular distance from the origin, but now this is not a direction ratios, so we can say that it is a only a the constant will be. How to convert this normal form to Cartesian form? Look here, this is a very simple, that here we have a I cap, b j cap and c k cap, that you convert in direct ax plus by plus cz equal to d. Now here by this equation you can check that what we can know by the equation of plane, that ax plus by plus cz equal to d is given to you, means here ABC are the direction ratios of normal and d is what is d is a constant. Look here all of you, find the Cartesian equation of the following plane. Look here, these planes are given in the vector form, and this vector form you have to change in Cartesian form. How we can change? Look here, first for first question I will do the whole method. Place of r, what we can write, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and this normal vector I write as it is, these two I write as it is. Now you do the dot product, what is x plus y minus z equal to 2, and here look here, this direct if you understand how to change this, that place of I j k you can write here x y z, and you will remove this r dot we will remove, and place of I j k we can change in x y z. So what you get here, x plus y minus z equal to 2 we get. Look here, for the second question we will do the direct method. So look here, you will not write r vector, and place of I j k you write the x y z. So we will get here that 2x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 1, and 2 3 minus 4 is a direction ratios of the normal of the plane. And similarly one more question, this place of I j k we have to change in x y z. So you can write in a Cartesian form is s minus 2t bracket x plus 3 minus t bracket y plus 2s plus t bracket z equal to 15. So it is a very simple to convert in a vector form and in a Cartesian form.